First of all, this cartoon Minecraft-style channel is incredibly engaging, creative, and visually stunning. If we talk about its performance, the main videos are getting millions of views, while the rest are consistently hitting thousands. One thing you'll notice is that every video uses the same main character, a boy wearing a red t-shirt, blue shorts, and a cap, keeping everything consistent in a Minecraft-style world. This is exactly what makes the content so attractive and addictive. Now, if we talk about the channel's growth, it has reached around 3.44 subscribers with only 17 videos. And when it comes to earnings, this channel is easily generating around $34,000, either monthly or yearly depending on activity. Even though uploads have slowed down, the channel is already monetized and performing strongly. So guys, the video you are currently watching on your screen is actually created using a powerful all-in-one AI tool. This tool replaces more than 10 different tools in one platform. So without wasting any time, let's preview how it works.
One wrong jump and we were BOH done. And the H-Hats when the creeper found us!
The tool we are going to use today is called HIX AI. Yes, HIX AI is designed to save your time, and here's how. First, you need to come to the platform and log in. Once you log in, you can also invite your friends and earn referral rewards or credits. You can even get up to 30% commission through referrals. Now let's talk about the tools available inside HIX AI. If we go to the AI chat section, you will find multiple advanced models in one place. These include OpenAI ChatGPT models, Google models, Claude, DeepSeek AI, and Grok AI. For example, you get access to models like Gemini 3.1, ChatGPT 5.4 Pro, and many others. This means you no longer need to switch between different platforms. Everything is available in one place. Next, we move to the AI video generator. Inside this section, you get access to multiple powerful models, including HIX AI, Google models, OpenAI, OneAI, Kling AI, Cdance, Hilo AI, AIVideo AI, PixVerse AI, and Runway AI. You can create high-quality videos without visiting multiple websites. It saves time and generates content much faster. Now let's talk about the AI image generator. Here you get models like HIX AI, Google AI, Nano Banana, OpenAI, Image Tools, Midjourney, Stability AI, Kling AI, Flux, Seedream, OneAI, and Qwen AI. These tools allow you to generate high-quality images, even up to 4K resolution. Next, we have AI Slides. This feature allows you to create professional presentations, just like Canva, but directly inside HIX AI. You can generate business or educational slides using advanced models like Nano Banana Pro, as you can see on the screen. The results are clean, professional, and ready to use. Moving forward, we have the AI Writing Agent. This tool helps you generate rich text, markdown, long-form content, product research, articles, and topic ideas. It basically works as your personal content writer. And finally, we have Deep Search. Just like ChatGPT's deep research feature, this tool searches across multiple sources and provides detailed, accurate answers from around the web. So instead of using multiple tools separately, everything is now available inside one powerful platform. That's exactly why HIX AI is a complete all-in-one AI solution. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started and see it in action. First of all, we will generate the prompts. For that, what you need to do is go to the home page and click on AI Chat. Then you need to select the ChatGPT model. We will use OpenAI ChatGPT 5.4 Pro. Click on it. It will take only 210 credits to generate our prompt. So guys, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. In this master prompt, according to the same channel style, same character, and same vibes, I have prepared 10 image prompts and video prompts with voiceover lines. You simply need to copy it. You will find the link in the description. Copy it. Then come to HIX AI, paste it here. You do not need to do anything else. Just click on Generate. After clicking Generate, our generation will start. It will take at least 1 to 2 minutes. First, it will analyze the script. Then it will give us the best result. So guys, as you can see on your screen, our image prompts and video prompts with voiceover lines are ready. First, it gave us a consistent character. Then it gave us 10 image prompts. Then it also gave us 10 video prompts. Now our next step is image generation, then video generation. Everything will be included in this. So do not skip the video. Now we start image generation. So guys, first of all, open HIX AI in a new tab because we need to use these prompts so they will stay saved here. Now I open it. After that, I click on image. Then here you will find Google models. For consistent character, you can use Google models like Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro. You can also use OpenAI models, Midjourney, Stability AI, Kling AI, Flux, Seedream, Wan AI, and Quen AI. So if you want a consistent character, you need to choose one model. I will use Nano Banana Pro. After clicking it, what we need to do is go to Settings. Here you can select ratio 9:16, resolution 2K, and output number 1. After that, first you need to upload a reference image. Take a screenshot from the channel thumbnail and upload it here. Then go to your prompt. Copy the first prompt and paste it here. Then simply click on Generate. As you can see, our generation has started. In a short time, it will give us the image. So guys, here is the result. Analyze it. See how it has generated the image with the same consistent character. It looks very beautiful and amazing. It looks very professional. You can download it, upscale it, remove the background, and do everything from here. Then again, I upload the reference image. After that, I can also select another model if I want. Then I go to the prompt, copy the next prompt, paste it here, and click Generate again. Now you can see the next generation has started. In a short time, the next image will be ready. So guys, look, the next image is ready. See how beautiful it looks. The character is consistent. There is no change. It has given us the best result. In the same way, for the third image, first I upload the reference image, then I change the model. Here I select Kling 3.0 for imagination. Then again, I go to the prompt, copy the third prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. As you can see, the generation has started. In a short time, the result will be ready. Now you can see the third image is ready. It looks very beautiful and amazing. It has generated a very good image. All models here are professional and best in quality. In the same way, I copy the fourth prompt, come to HIX AI, paste it, and click Generate. You can use any model here. All models are very good. As you can see, the next image generation has started. In a short time, it will be ready. So guys, the next image is also ready. It looks very beautiful and amazing. The character is consistent and the Minecraft style is correct. Everything is perfect. Now you can see all images are generated. They look very beautiful and amazing. So guys, you have seen how we generated images here. Now the next step is video generation. For video generation, go to a new tab, go to Home, and click on AIVideo. After clicking AIVideo, first select a model. Here all models are available. You get Google Veo 3.1, OpenAI Sora 2, Kling AI models, and many more. First, we generate video using Sora 2. Select Sora 2. After selecting it, upload the first image. Then go to the prompt box, copy the first video prompt, and paste it here. Then set the settings like aspect ratio, resolution, and video length. You can generate up to 12 seconds. Keep reference 1 and output 1. Then click Generate. As you can see, video generation has started. In a short time, the first video will be ready. Now here is the result. Analyze it. See how beautiful it looks. The preview is amazing. The character is very well maintained. Now simply download it. You can also upscale it. Then I select another model, Google Veo 3.1 Fast. Now go to Settings, upload the second image, go to Prompt, copy the second video prompt, paste it here, set the settings, and click Generate. Now the second video generation has started. In a short time, it will be ready. Now you can see the second video is ready with voiceover style. It looks very beautiful and amazing. The character is consistent and looks perfect. Now for the next video, I select Kling 2.6. Set duration 10 seconds, output 1. Then upload the image, copy the prompt, paste it, and click Generate. Now the generation has started. In a short time, the result will be ready. So guys, the third video is ready. It looks amazing. The character is in Minecraft style and looks very beautiful. Now you can download it. Repeat the same process for the next videos. You can select models, like PixVerse 5.5 or Google Veo 3.1 Fast. All models are available. Just paste the prompt, adjust settings, and click Generate. Now all videos are ready. You can see how amazing they look. Now let's go back. Here you will find another tool called AI Slides. From here you can generate slides using Nano Banana. Pro. Simply give a topic or reference image. It will generate business or educational slides. As you can see on the screen, it created a Lego Creative Contest slide with proper title, style, and consistency. After that, you get AI Writer. Here you can generate articles, topics, product research, and step-by-step guides. You also get options for regular text and long text. Next, we have Deep Search. Here you can search anything deeply across the web, and it will give you accurate results. So guys, today you saw how we generated prompts, images, videos, slides, and content using HIX AI. This is a complete all-in-one AI tool. You do not need to go to different platforms. You can also invite your friends and earn rewards and credits. Now, if we talk about pricing, there are 3 plans. One is free, which gives access to standard models. Then HIX AI Unlimited gives access to standard and advanced models, including deep search. Then HIX AI Pro gives more credits and full access to all features like AI Agent, AI Slides, and deep search. You can also see up to 50% discount on yearly plans. So instead of purchasing ChatGPT, Gemini, or other tools separately, you can get everything in one place with HIX AI Pro. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to generate images, videos, or content like this, you will find the HIX AI link in the description. Go there, choose your plan, and start creating. See you in the next video.